Welcome to our video. I'm going to tell you how to use any app on Android Auto. Normally, Android Auto only supports apps like Google Maps, Spotify, or WhatsApp. But with the right tools, you can unlock almost any app on your phone and run it on your car's display. The most popular way is using CarStream or AA Mirror, which lets you mirror apps like YouTube, Netflix, or even games directly into Android Auto. To do this, first enable developer settings in the Android Auto app on your phone, then install the tool from a trusted source. Once your phone is connected, open Android Auto on your car screen and launch the mirrored app. It will now appear in your dashboard just like a native app. You can even rearrange or customize which apps show up through Android Auto settings. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more useful content.